What to do in the first 30 days of performance management rollout. Rolling out a new performance management system? The first 30 days are critical. Here's how to get it right. Start with clear communication. Let your team know what's changing, why it matters, and how it will help them, not just the company. Next, set expectations. Share what people will need to do, whether that's setting goals, giving feedback, or completing reviews. Then provide support. Offer brief trainings or guides to show how the new system works. Make sure managers feel equipped to lead the change. Finally, collect feedback early. Ask how it's going, what's confusing, and what could be better. Then adjust before habits set in. With eLeaP PMP, rollout becomes a smooth, structured process with onboarding tools and flexible workflows built in. Want more rollout tips? Hit subscribe.